What's wrong with the mood swing?
Zara, I'm fine.
Wait. Don't tell me you're thinking.
I swear to God, I am tired. This is really amazing me. It's really annoying most times. I sit back and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? I mean, a lady comes into a relationship and boom, all she wants is just what you bring into the table, what you can offer her, and what you can you have to give her. You know, all the luxury, the comfort, and all of that shit. And then that's not all. They always make us understand that you must be a very good man of bed. I mean, what the fuck are we talking about?
Listen, bro. I get your point. I get the angle you're coming from. I know we all have been heartbroken once in a while, but listen, bro. It doesn't mean all girls are the same. There's love out there. You just have to, keep your heart open and, expect it. Stop saying all girls are the same.
Jerry.
There's love out there. You just have to believe in this.
I like your point. But you don't get me. All of my life, all the girls that I've ever come across, my own life has always been the same. I mean, money. Once the money is over, any moment I go broke, the relationship is over. What the fuck are we talking about?
What do you want me to do? Like, what do you expect me to do? Like, it's over 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I don't even be returning my calls or even my messages. What did I do? Where did I go wrong?
You are here killing yourself. And Chris, that we both know. See short. Be out there with that girl. That coffee girl.
Wait, what about if something happened? Maybe that's the reason why he has not been picking my calls, Should I go to his office or should I just look for him or something? Please, can you go with me?
I need to ask a question. What is it you really miss about Chris?
He loves me. That's why I miss him. He cares about me. That's why I miss about me.
He cares about you. Or you're missing the dick.
Oh God, stop.
The way the dick used to make you dangle. That is what you're missing.
Zara, you are adding to my frustration and it's not fair. Why are you talking about dick now? How is dick and me being worried related, Zara? I love him and he loves me too. We have a chemistry, for crying out loud. It's not about the dick. It's not.
The dick is also the chemistry between.
Chemistry shouldn't be about the
dick.
We have similarities. We have things we love. We have things that we enjoy together. That's chemistry.
The dick
Zara.
is part of it. The dick is making me.
Because stop this now. I don't want to even smile and you're just making it worse. It's not okay. Fine.
Wait.
Fine.
Tell me.
Fine. Yeah. The dick is big.
I said it.
As big as a cucumber. Can you just imagine it?
I said it.
And you can imagine when it goes in.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So you want to listen? You want to hear me say, I've said it, so can you rest? Can we just rest and drop the topic and talk about why he has not been calling me?
You see now? I said it. You see? Yeah, you're saying, I love him. I miss him. But obviously, you missed the dick.
You're making me smile. I'm just supposed to be in my zone and in my shell. That's what I just did right now. I think it's gonna help. And you're supposed to be here telling me, babe, stop getting frustrated. He's gonna call you.
I am not going to tell you.
What he's gonna do.
No. It's about the dick. And you need to get a jump off dick, so you're going to forget about Chris.
I thought you asked me, so you just tell me something or tell me he's busy. I just need that right now.
That's
why
what
I need.
I need you to get a jump off dick.
Oh, Jesus, she's back at it. She's back at it. I told you I've been trying so many. And yet, they're not even helping. They're making things worse.
Maybe because you've not tried the ones that is good.
I've tried. It's not helping. It's making me worse.
That is why you're like this. But I don't know. Any which way.
Stop.
I have tickets for 2.
I'm not going.
The Lagos Festival.
I'm not.
Lagos Festival.
I'm not going.
Sure.
I'm not.
Tonight.
I'm not.
You are going.
Is Chris coming?
No.
I'm not going.
You're going.
I'm not going.
To get a jump off day.
Oh God.
I'm going to get you a jump off day. You know, when I see the day.
I'm not surprised.
That's
the reason why I just believe any girl that sprays her hair just spots crazy and nasty and you're just the best version of it. Zara,
thank you for
leave me alone.
Thank you for the compliment.
We are not going anywhere.
But we are going for the show. We are going for the show. I just want you to get a dick that's going to make you. It's going to make you forget about Chris.
This is not fooling me. picking my cousins talk about it, please.
We're talking about the deal that you're getting tonight.
There are genuine girls out there looking for someone to fall in love with. Come on, it's not all about sex, it's not all about money.
I understand all the fairy tales, okay? But at this point, Jake, at this point, I'm done. I'm done with everything relationship.
You just have to forget about anything.
Hey Jake, stop being distracted.
No, you're the one being distracted saying there is no love, just because you were heartbroken. I'm not distracted. How can you say that? It's the beauty is everywhere, the love is everywhere. You just have to wait for it. And it will come down to you. Come on, bro. Cheer up, drink up. We came here to have fun. Don't spoil my mood. Oh. How?
Hey Jake.
Hello, beauty.
Hello.
Hi, you must be Angel because damn, you look like you fell from the sky. I couldn't stop but stare ever since you walked in. You got me so mesmerized.
Wow, you're talking like my father already. Like giving me a name.
No, it's not like that. It's just that I haven't seen such a beauty ever since I started visiting this bar.
Thank you.
Why don't you join us on our table? It will be great having such a beauty on our table. Come on, what you say?
Well, I'm only taking the offer because it's cute.
Him? Oh, that's my best friend. A lot of girls say that, but
Hi.
I don't know why they don't recognize me, but come on. Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, help you with this.
Alright, I'm Jessica.
My name is Chris, or you can call me C Short.
Chris, it's enough. I brought the beautiful girl to the table. Hey, Chris. Jessica, don't mind him. He's always wanting to take the glory. But hey, you stay around. I haven't seen such a beauty walk in this restaurant since I started visiting here. You know, I mostly come here, to relax from the work stress and other issues. You know how this thing goes.
Not really, but I don't stay far though.
Wow, honestly, this is the first time I'm seeing such a beautiful melanin skin girl.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Well, Jake, we came in here to drink, so let's drink up. Barman, please, can we get these things opened? Please, thank you.
Here we go again with Jake, always cutting fun shots.
I don't think any can make me forget about my Christmas.
You've not tried every, have you?
Should I have to try the whole of?
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
okay. Even if I'm gonna go, which I've not decided yet, but we're going. It's going to be as big, good as my Christmas one.
better off. That will make you forget about fish.
Sarah.
Let's go.
Even if I'm going to go,
Nah,
I just
let's
hope
go.
the dick is even worth it.
This one is going to work. It's going to be like bamboo stick. Don't worry. Let's go.